Hey, it's Fuzzy back here with another video. Alright, you guys, I wanted to show you what I did in my trailer. I've got some electric stuff, okay? So I've got a handheld Eagle blower. I've got a Dewalt compatible fertilizer spreader. I've got a electric backpack sprayer. And that thing is awesome, I'll tell you what. I'll put the links in the description for all this stuff. Anyway, alright, so what I did was I drilled a hole in the bottom of my trailer actually last year, but this year I just set this up here. And I drilled a hole in the bottom of the trailer, put a plug in it like that, ran the cord through there from this power bar, okay, and then I got everything hooked into this power bar, and that charges my batteries. So all I do at night is throw my batteries in there. You don't forget to plug the cord in to the bottom, because sometimes that happens. So I leave the cord out there and I walk right over it and say, oh, I gotta plug it in. All right, this is a charger for the backpack sprayer. So yeah, everything is here and it's ready to go. And I'll tell you what, it's super convenient versus taking them out and then, you know, put it in your shop, charge it, because the next morning if you don't remember, you're gonna say, jeepers. All right, so there you go. I rigged that up, and I hope you guys can think of that stuff too. Maybe those will give you an idea. Hey, that's a good idea. All right, take care.